We're in the process of putting new wheels onto this AMG GT63S. Ooh, this is really nice. So, stock wheels, swapping them out with forged Vossen wheels, 3-piece satin black with a polished lip. I love how they cut out all this material in the middle to save weight, and it just adds a lot more dimension to the wheel. Really cool. When it comes to choosing the perfect forged wheels for a car, sometimes you can overshoot and create wheels that are too attention grabbing and they'll take away from the car, or create something that's too boring and people won't even notice them. When the wheels boost the entire look of the car, you know you found the perfect setup. And with these Vossen EVO-6TR wheels, they do just that. And this is what I mean. The wheel itself is really intricate, and that can really take away from the spotlight from the car itself. But we chose the perfect colors to make sure that didn't happen. The center is a super multi-spoke directional design, and we finished that in satin black to subdue some of the intricacies. Since this is a 3-piece wheel, we're able to make the outer lip a different color, so we chose to go with polish along with the hardware, so it adds just the right amount of pop and contrast. The best part is all the colors on the wheel can be found already on the car, so it already looks natural as if everything was designed all together, just like how it should be.